Here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application, and this is pretty much the AI application. And here you can pretty much select whichever option you want. You have the image to video option, you have the text to video option, and you have the frames to video option. So if you're going to use any one of these, let's say for example this here, be able to select the model that you want to use. And if I do tap on this option here, then see all the AI models which you can use. And do keep in mind you get different perks as it relates to these AI models. You can see here a lot of them which you can use. And once you do look at the side, you're gonna see how much credits or coins you're gonna need to generate or use these AI models. So do keep in mind when selecting any one of these that you're going to need credits. But this one is pretty much the cheapest, so I will just go with the cheapest one. Here you can also upload your image as it relates to this image to video option, and also you're going to need a prompt as well. You don't have to do it or don't have to enter a prompt for this option. Down here you can go ahead and select the resolution and duration of the video. The 10-second option, you're going to need a subscription. You can see your local code icon. You're going to need a subscription for that. And you can also enable if you want sound or if you don't want any sound. And you can adjust the resolution. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And it will ask you to upload your image and so forth. Nothing much for that. Same thing for the text to video. You do get the option to select the AI model that you want to use. And as I said before, these AI models are different and may require different amount of credits. So as you can see, so the cheapest one is this one here, and down here you just enter your prompt. So if you don't have anything in mind, you can always tap on this, but you'd have to enter something first, or you can just tap on the random option here, and then you tap on this here. So it will enhance your AI prompt, or if you have entered something randomly or you enter something on your own, you can just tap on that for it to enhance your AI prompt. So that's basically that for that feature. But that's pretty much it for that there. And as well, you get the option to select the video aspect ratio for this one here. You can see a lot of aspect ratio and the duration and the resolution. You can see. So that's really pretty much it for that. And the frames per video, same thing, same options. Just have to upload the first frame of the video and the ending frame on your prompt. And you're pretty much good to go from there. You have the image to image, meaning you can add things within the image or upload a cup. If you want to add a cup into that picture or whatever the case is. And as I said before, these models may be different. As you can see, your price is different based on what I'm generating. This is image to image. On the text to video option, it's much more expensive than this here. And as you can see here, the price is a bit more cheaper for this image to image generation here. So in the featured models mode section, you'll be able to use a lot of different templates. These templates consist of different things which you can do using the application. All you have to do is upload a few clear images, sometimes of two different persons, so you can get the results as you can see here. So a lot of them depends on you uploading images and then generating. So everything, you don't have to enter any prompt or anything like that. It will pretty much be already there for you. So you can see a lot of prompts or templates which you can use. You have the Christmas section here, you have the epic transition section here, you have the funny effects section here. A lot of them, all you have to do, let's say for example this one here, once you tap on this, all you have to do is upload a clear image of your face, and it will pretty much just replace your face with this here, and you're pretty much good to go. Same thing for all of these, and yes, so very, very easy to use. As it relates to the subscription for this here, you can see here they do offer a pro subscription, a year subscription, and a monthly subscription for this. And over here, if you're going to buy credits, you can go ahead and buy credits as well, separately from their subscription. So do keep in mind, some of these effects and some of these features may require a subscription. instead of credits. So you won't, even if you purchase credits, you won't be able to access the subscription based effects and the other things that it offers. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and I'll see if I can help you. See you in the next one.